Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. So MATIC broke above the 84.5 cent level, the level that I mentioned in the last few videos, that if we get above that level, it is very, very well possible that the breakout is already happening. Yeah. So everybody who's been following my MATIC videos knows that we already reached here the orange area or yellow area, which is the area where we would expect a reversal to the upside. But lower lows were, and to be honest, still are possible. Yeah, they still are possible, but we are moving up quite strongly against the market actually, and that is always a good sign. So let me just redefine this, or let me just explain where we come from. We have here on the MATIC chart or Polygon chart, from the low made a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, and that yellow wave count is all part of the wave 3. And we are now moving down in a wave 4, possibly now already finished with that move above 84.5 cents. And we would now move up in a wave 5. My target here for MATIC, as I said before, and I'll put that on the chart now, is between 115 and 140. Oops. So it starts at 115. Yeah, this is where I would expect in a wave 5 the price to go to as a minimum. So this is obviously the wave 4 reversal area. Here I told you that we will most likely get into, which we did. We talked about profit taking up here, and then we came down in a wave 4. And as soon as you touch this area or get into it, you can reverse. So increasing prices are possible from here. The lower level wave count suggested two different wave counts here in green and white that both suggested, or at least left open, the possibility that we will come down once more into the region between 64.5 cents and 76.5 cents. So far, the market doesn't seem to use the possibility and seems to be breaking out already. Therefore, I gave you that 84.5 cent level as a possible breakout point. And you can see as we broke above that level, we have really accelerated above the 84.5. Does it mean we can't come down any lower anymore? No, of course we could still, but it's now getting unlikely. And I told you above 90 cents, which is this swing high, if we rally through this in my opinion, significantly reduces the risk to come down once more lower. But at the moment, if we look at the two different options, and the different wave count options, if we look at the retracements, what we're doing now, we broke above the 50% fib retracement. And for a wave 4 here, what this would be, this is just very unlikely. So we have a really, really realistic chance that we now go higher. I think at the moment we can get comfortable with the idea that we are not going to make another lower low. But as long as we haven't rallied through 90 cents, we still need to allow for that option. Yeah. And to be honest, real invalidation of the bearish count here, or let's say not bearish count, but of another additional low, will only occur as soon as we get above that 92.5 cent level, the low of the wave 1, because that would strictly invalidate another low in this wave pattern. But nevertheless, as soon as we went above the 84.5 cents, that was the earliest possible evidence that the low is in here. And then the 90 cent level, that swing high here, will already give us additional confidence. And then most likely the low is in if we go above 93 cents. So it's all about probabilities, as you know, but we seem to be using that chance now. So at the moment then, what we could really say is that the low indeed was in. So yesterday in my video I said that low here wasn't very convincing, but we might have to go with it, because it was not really substantial, that additional low. But it seems to be we're doing that, and now we might indeed be going higher in a wave 5. Exciting times. So it will be interesting to see how that carries on over the next few days. We've now just approached resistance here. At this swing low, this area of trade, and this is obviously what we need to get through now. Therefore, I highlighted the 90.5 and a 90.5 cent level as additional important breakout point. We've already broken above the yellow line, which is the 50-day moving average that you can see actually here. The yellow line is here, and that is at 85.9 cents. As you can see, we're comfortable above that now. So this is getting interesting. Yeah, this is getting interesting. Looking at the EMA ribbon as well, we had a long signal here on the 4-hour chart. These can be quite useful. We had a short signal here and we did go down, and now we have a long signal. They are not always working out, these signals, but they are also quite a good indicator. Yeah. So looking at the VPVR, you can see that we have now approached an area where we have a volume spike coming. So this will be possibly an area of resistance to get through here around 92 cents. It's an additional resistance level, but in the process of a wave 5, we should break it. So exciting times. I'll keep you updated about MATIC. Bear in mind that as soon as you hit the wave 5 area, we can come down in a wave 2. And this will then be a large correction and the possible next entry point for anybody who didn't buy in any of these reversal areas highlighted on the chart. Okay, and that's my update about MATIC. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.